Okay, today I'm here at Knott's Berry Farm for the peanut celebration, and I went to what's it called, the Gourmet Churro Factory, and got their it says Deep Fried PBJ Uncrustables. I think it's supposed to be PB&J, and these are $9. So you do get two though, and then it's covered with powdered sugar and like strawberry sauce. Let me cut into this. Okay, there's the Uncrustables. In case you didn't know, is a frozen uh, peanut butter and jelly, usually sandwich, and then you just put in your kids' lunch in it, but it thaws by the time lunch comes around. So and then this is battered and deep fried. Lots of peanut butter in there. Yeah, if you like peanut butter and jelly, you're gonna love this one. And they were making them to order, so I had to wait. So this is pretty much fresh out of the fryer. And then they drizzle it with this strawberry sauce. If they only put a little bit of drizzle, ask them if they could put more on, because I did. Mine only had a little bit, and Crash said his was kind of dry. The one that didn't have a drizzle on it, so he said make sure you get a lot of drizzle. And they were accommodating, so they gave me more drizzle. Yeah, I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So this one's really good to me. So I'm gonna actually give this A+. Now, if you're allergic to peanuts, don't get this because it's obviously peanut butter. But I have to really like them. I still eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches today. So, anyways. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.